Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Quest 3. First, consider cloud streaming services, which offer a straightforward way to enjoy Fortnite. Platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now stream the game directly to your headset. This method bypasses the need for a powerful local PC, requiring only a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or more, for a smooth experience. Another excellent option is PC VR streaming, utilizing features like Meta Quest Air Link or a third-party application such as Virtual Desktop. This method requires a gaming PC with a robust graphics card, like an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or equivalent, to run Fortnite. Ensure both your PC and Quest 3 are connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for optimal low-latency performance. Before you dive in, a few setup steps are crucial for your Quest 3. Always ensure your headset software is updated to the latest version for compatibility and performance. If using AirLink, install the Meta Quest desktop application on your PC. Within your Quest settings, you can fine-tune visual quality and refresh rates, often up to 120 Hz, to enhance your Fortnite experience. To truly optimize your Fortnite experience, several tips can make a big difference. Dedicate a 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel solely for your Quest 3 to minimize interference. Close any unnecessary background applications running on both your PC and the headset. For the absolute best performance, connect your gaming PC directly to your router via a wired Ethernet cable, significantly reducing latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.